Minasan, konnichiwa, Zamurai Engineer desu. In this video, let's take a look again of another important definition in NFPA 101. Chapter 3.2, Official Definition of NFPA. Label. What is label? It is an equipment or material to which has been attached an identifying mark of an organization that is acceptable to the AHJ and concerned with product evaluation, that maintains periodic inspection of production of labeled equipment or materials, and by whose labeling the manufacturer indicates compliance with appropriate standards or performance in a specified manner. So it is an identifying mark of an organization. So in Japanese, it is Rabertsuki. Rabertsuki. What is Rabertsuki? Kikimata wa Zaryo. So Shiki no Shikibetsu Mako. So that is how the Japanese expression of what is a label means. Okay. So once again, this is Dr. EYPEI preaching engineering for nation building.